You're joining us here today on Weymouth Beach for the second annual Chase the Dinosaur event. But first, let's go back a bit. If you are taking part in this event, first you need to register. You can do this in advance online or register on the day, and it costs £10 per adult and £5 per child. For more details on the event, go to weareweymouth.co.uk. All money raised for this event goes to the Will Mackaness Trust, a local charity providing water sport opportunities for the youngsters of Weymouth and Portland.
Dinosaur fight!
So here's last year's winner, Dan. He's the one they'll all be chasing this year. Those strange dinosaurs that I don't know. No, there's certainly a lot of dinosaurs here. What a brilliant turnout.
Dance on the dinosaurs there. Can you dance on it up?
If you can kind of segregate yourself in the middle part of the things here.
The dinosaurs are lining up, getting ready to race. The dinosaur stampede! Here they go! I think there's some costume malfunctions already, I'm afraid. Those naughty inflatable dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Just let us know your name so we can put you in the video.
Yeah, so Matthew Smith, Tyrannosaurus Rex. And yeah, that was quite hard.
And this is the one to chase next year.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thanks for coming in.
Go Stevie!
And then then I literally stopped. It was like,
Diplodocus is down.